guys, today we're gonna make beetle lava jelly together. But before we get started, please leave some comments and subscribe us. So here we are. This is a convenience store, lots of snacks, and here it is. We found funny one. So all the directions here on the package. Let's open. So first we're gonna need the scissors. Let's cut in half. And then combine together until it says click. Okay. So now second, let's make a little pond here. I know it's a little bit of water, so you think it's difficult, but let's give it a try. I kind of like this kind of experimental sweet. I think it's only in Japan. I don't know if you have this kind of experimental sweets in your country. Please leave a comment and let us know. I'm curious. So now, stir. Don't worry about that little thing, you know. It's all gonna pour into the lava case. So mix. A little bit more. Yeah, it just looked like a soy sauce. But either way. So from that hole, from directly. Oh, what's the third hand? It looks like I have 3 hands. So use the spoon, nice and slow. Yes, go. So first we're making the head part. So the brown one is the head part. Yes. A little bit more. Yes, I'm greedy. Look, head part is complete. So now let's make the body part. So now we're gonna put a little bit more water. You see the line, you know? Yeah, like that. And then open the outer powder case. Body part. Yeah, white powder. Stir. Yeah. So here's a little bit difficult part because there is the brown, you know, the head part, and then you're gonna pour the white part. So I try not to mix all together. So nice and slow, yes. A little bit mixed, but actually it turns out to be more natural, no, real, I think. Either way, I've never seen the real one, so I cannot talk about the real thing, but yeah, either way. Look, a little bit more, almost there. Yeah. And then, finito. So guys, now look at this. Here's the beetle lover. Right? So let's put in the fridge 20 minutes and then let's open it. Close look. It looks nice and shiny, and look at this gooey feeling. Can you feel it? Oops, accidentally it fell off, but it turns out to be like more real. See? Now on the plate, what do you say? It looks real? So here's a close look again. Another angle. And another cut. Maybe there is something, like lettuce leaves or something, green leaves. It was more natural, I think. So here's the three. Go ahead. First bite. And the second bite. How is it? It's sweet. Yeah, of course it should be. Now it's the head part. This one tastes good. Yeah, alright. So this is a funny one. See you next in the movie. Bye.